In this demo, we'll be simulating a simple system which is a windmill power station. So we have a windmill model. The input is the wind speed and the output is the mechanical power. This mechanical power is then fed into a generator which generates electricity. Now let's go to Blue Canoe and see how to do this. This is what Blue Canoe looks like when you open it in your browser. You can see that it runs as a portlet inside the JBoss portal server. On the top you see the menu from which you can access your projects, your systems and your results. To create a new system in Blue Canoe, we simply click the New System button. To create a new system, you simply give its name. So let me type windmill power station and you select the project to which it will belong. So let me select the renewable energy project and I click on Save System. We can see that our new system has been created inside the renewable energy project. To go ahead and define our system, we simply click on it. Initially, we see that our system does not contain any subsystem. To include subsystems, we click on the Add Subsystem button. To create a subsystem, we specify its name and then we select an Archimedes experiment to link to it. So let us select an experiment from the demo project and we will choose the windmill experiment. Then we save the subsystem. We can now see that our subsystem has been added to our windmill power station system. Let us now add the generator subsystem. So we click on the Add Subsystem button. We give a name for the subsystem, which is the generator. Once again, we have to link it to an experiment in Archimedes. So we'll choose the demo project and we'll select the generator experiment. We then click on Save Subsystem and once again we see that our generator subsystem is now a part of the windmill power station system. Let us now go ahead and configure our subsystems. To configure our subsystem, we simply click on it. Initially, we see that all our defaults are set to 0 and we see that none of the parameters are wired. We will understand what we mean by wiring a parameter in a few moments. For now, let us see how we configure the default values. To configure a parameter, we click on the Configure Parameter button. Let us first give a default for the wind speed. So we select wind speed. Let us give a default value of say 10 miles per hour. We are not going to wire this parameter. So we select none as the wired subsystem and none as the parameter and we save the parameter configuration. And we can see that our default value has immediately taken effect. We can now configure the diameter to have a default value. So we select diameter as the parameter. Let us select a diameter of say 30 inches. And again, we do not wire it to any subsystem or parameter. Once again, we'll learn what is wiring in a few moments, so please have some patience. And then we click on Save Parameter Configuration. And we see the default value reflected for the diameter. Let us now configure the generator subsystem by clicking on it. We see that the input power parameter has the default value of 0 to start with, and it is not wired to any subsystem. Let us go ahead and configure this parameter. So we click on configure parameter. We select the parameter and let us specify a default input power of say 300 watts. Now here is where we learn what it means to wire a subsystem. We remember from our presentation that the input power of the generator comes from the output power of the windmill. Therefore, we wire the input parameter of the generator to the output power of the windmill, and this is how we do it. So to wire it to the windmill subsystem, we simply select windmill. We update the parameters so we have options in our list, and then we wire it to the power parameter of the windmill. This is the output power of the windmill. By doing this, what we are trying to tell Blue Canoe is that the value for input power of the generator should come from the power parameter of the windmill. So we click on save parameter, and we can see that our changes have taken effect. The input power of the generator is 300 watts by default, and it is wired to the windmill subsystem and to the output power parameter of the windmill. This means that during the simulation, the value of the input power will always come from the output power of the windmill. This is what we mean by wiring a parameter to another parameter.